Have you ever heard about copaiba oil? We talked about it recently on the channel. Did you watch this video? The copaiba essential oil is very powerful and has been used for hundreds of years to treat many health issues. Because it is a natural anti-inflammatory, it is great to alleviate pain, heal wounds, improve skin, protect the nervous system, and fight cancer and tumors. Did you know that? Besides that, copaiba essential oil is great for our pets. Did you know that animals are more sensitive to oils and chemicals than human beings? Essential oils offer many benefits to dogs, and one of the oils we can use on them is copaiba oil. According to many studies, this oil can be used in cases of animal abuse since it is a great antibacterial and healing. In cases of healing or eliminating bacteria, just do a daily cleaning on the wounds with a cotton pad soaked with oil and apply it to the area twice a day until the wound heals. Besides copaiba essential oil, you can also safely use these other oils on your pets. Cedarwood oil. It is known for its powerful capacity of repelling and killing pests like fleas. It is antiseptic, stimulating circulation, and is good for the stiffness that shows with age, like arthritis and back pains. It can be used in dogs with separation anxiety, giving the animal more safety. Lavender oil. Considered one of the most versatile essential oils, it is great for calming down and bringing peace and harmony to dogs and humans. It can be very useful for puppies that just arrived at their new homes to help the dog acclimate with a new house in cases of a change of address and during training to reduce hyperactivity. Besides that, did you know that lavender oil can also help you during trips? It alleviates anxiety during car rides and also insomnia. Isn't it amazing? Peppermint oil. It can help with weight loss and issues like diarrhea and cramps. Peppermint oil can help balance the metabolism and also stimulates the bladder, improving the most different gastrointestinal issues in dogs. Lemongrass oil. It can be very useful when your intention is to repel insects such as fleas, ticks, and flies, since it has citral and geraniol. If you want to get rid of fleas, add 2 or 3 drops of the oil in a cup of water and put it in a spray bottle. Then spray it over your pet and gently massage its coat. Not only will it keep ticks and fleas away, but it will also improve your dog's skin. Easy and simple, right? Now tell us, did you already know the benefits these oils offer to your dog? Is there an oil that we didn't talk about in the video? Share it with us in the comments section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.